In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps of using the ePhoto Z300. Step 1. Installing the software. Insert the software installation disk into the DVD drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Or you can simply get the latest software and driver from the Plustek website. Visit plustek.com/Z300. We highly suggest you visit the Plustek site for the latest updates. Please click on the download button for your Mac or PC. The default download location in Windows is under the C drive /user/user/downloads. Right-click the zip file and then choose Open to unzip the file. Enter the unzip folder and then click setup.exe to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish installation. Step 2. Connecting the scanner. Plug the square end of the USB cable into the USB port on the back of the scanner, and then connect the other end to your PC or Mac. Don't forget to attach the power cord to the scanner, and then plug it into the power outlet. Now, turn on the rocker switch on the back of the scanner. If the computer is able to find the scanner, it means the installation is complete. Step 3. Get started. Click on the ePhoto icon to start the software. The LED indicator will turn blue. Once the software starts running, you will be guided through the calibration process the first time you use the software. The calibration sheet can be found in the brown envelope. Insert the calibration sheet. Make sure you align the calibration sheet to the calibration mark. Make sure you don't lose the sheet for future calibration needs. There you have it. The scanner is ready to go to back up all your wonderful memories. Plustek ePhoto scans photos and documents quick and easy.